As you can see, the band is already connected to the Wi-Fi, and if I turn the Wi-Fi off, the band will continue its operation, and upon restarting the band, it will search for Wi-Fi. Let me show you the band's name, ESP. It's connected, and if I turn this Wi-Fi off, it's off. The band continues its operation. But if I restart the band, it will search for the Wi-Fi, and after 5 seconds or so, it will go into soft AP mode uh, and generate its own Wi-Fi by the name of SafeRH. SafeRH band. Now the device will connect to it. It's connected, and yes, just have to go to the web address, which is 192.684.1. Now here it will show you the available Wi-Fi networks. Let me turn on the hotspot of another device. Configure Wi-Fi. Yes, it's showing the available Wi-Fi networks because I'm recording the video and I'm unable to turn on the hotspot of this device. So basically you click on this icon, and it will put the credentials, put the name of the Wi-Fi in SSID, and then you have to put the password yourself. If you know the password, then it will connect with the Wi-Fi. Otherwise it will continue its otherwise it will continue to uh, stay in the hotspot mode or soft AP mode, as you can say. Now I will just turn the band off and turn on my hotspot for band to connect. Yes, there it is. CFRH, searching for Wi-Fi. It will always search for previously connected Wi-Fi as long as it's not been erased, and continuous operation. If I put my finger on the sensor, then the readings are pretty stable and accurate. I have compared them with a pulse oximeter from Bolivia, and they are pretty accurate. But on the wrist, they are unstable, maybe because of the placement on the wrist. There you see. So I hope in next variant I will be able to solve these issues and make a better version of the band using which will use the same sensors, I guess, but it will rate the body temperature and your SpO2 and heart rate from your upper part of your wrist. So there it is.